They did a fantastic job with this car. I actually really have nothing bad to say about it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This week, over the last 10 days, I have driven 1,500 miles on this 2019 Toyota RAV4. This is the XLE edition, and let me tell you guys, I really do not have one single complaint. If you check out the link right here, you'll see a full in-depth review that I did on the car last week. One, this car is very comfortable. I know I mentioned it last week. Two, very confident on the road. The tires that are on this car from the factory are really nice. They're smooth, they're quiet, no humming noise. And the other night I was driving in torrential downpour with like 30-mile-an-hour gusts of winds, and the tires performed really well. I didn't have a sense of the car losing control or hydroplaning. It was a really, really comforting situation. I was also using all of the technology that this car has. I had the adaptive cruise control on all week, which was really nice. Braked well. It wasn't intrusive on your driving, which was something that original cars were doing when that technology was released. Originally, with the cars on the market would slam the brakes and do all these sort of nonsensical things that really were annoying. But in this car, it was smooth. It was transitioning well. If somebody cuts you off, obviously it's going to slam the brakes, but you would expect that you would slam the brakes yourself, so it's okay. And the last thing that I really wanted to touch on was the lane assist feature. The lane assist also, when it first came out, was very intrusive. In this car, not so much. I mean, a little bit a little excessive beeping and whatnot. If you were drifting in the lane, it would notify you and nudge the steering wheel. So if you were, let's say, daydreaming or not necessarily paying attention or driving in high winds, it would keep you in the lane. See that? Car turns the wheel. And the other night when I was driving, 3 hours late at night, gusts of winds, it was really nice to have that feature. So these are just the things that I want to mention. The infotainment system, very easy to use, very easy to navigate, and it worked. So again, if you're kind of looking at the RAV4 and on the fence, or have one and you want to upgrade, it's a really nice car. They did a fantastic job with this car. I actually really have nothing bad to say about it. So, with that in mind, I want to thank you for watching this video. Please hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and drop a comment below as well. See you guys next time.